Imagine waking up in the middle of the night to a sky so bright you can read the newspaper, while telegraph machines around the world burst into flames and keep sending messages with their batteries completely unplugged. It sounds like a sci-fi movie, but this actually happened, and it all started with a single flash of light on the sun. On September 1, 1859, astronomer Richard Carrington was sketching sunspots when he saw a sudden, brilliant white light flash erupt from the sun, the first solar flare ever recorded by science. Within hours, Earth was hit by the largest geomagnetic storm in recorded history, but the real trouble was only just beginning down on the ground. The storm completely crippled the global telegraph network, the internet of its day, which spanned about 125,000 miles of line. Operators received intense electric shocks, equipment threw sparks, and some machines even caught fire, including one incident where operator Frederick Royce was shocked so hard a witness saw a spark of fire jump from his forehead. And yet, the machines weren't done defying explanation. In a twist that sounds completely made up, operators on the Boston to Portland line unplugged their batteries entirely and kept sending messages anyway, running purely on the electric current the storm itself was inducing in the wires. They even reported that the system worked better this way than with their actual batteries connected. But while the wires hummed with phantom energy, the sky was putting on an unprecedented show. The northern lights, normally locked near the freezing poles, blazed all the way down to the tropics over Cuba, Jamaica, Panama, and Hawaii. The aurora was so bright that people could read a newspaper outdoors at night, and gold miners in the Rocky Mountains actually woke up, thought it was dawn, and started cooking breakfast. But if this same cosmic event hit our world today, the consequences would be on a completely different scale. If a Carrington-class storm hit today, our satellites, GPS, and power grids would be far more exposed than the telegraph wires of 1859. Lloyd's of London estimated in 2013 that it could cost North America between $0.6 and $2.6 trillion, putting 20 to 40 million people at risk of losing power, while the U.S. National Academies put the potential figure near $2 trillion. While these are modeled scenarios and not absolute certainties, they show the incredible scale of what we are dealing with. The Carrington event isn't a legend, it is documented history, and it serves as the ultimate benchmark for just how wild space weather can get. It is exactly why scientists now watch the sun every single day, and why checking the daily space weather makes a lot more sense than it sounds. Subscribe for weekly space weather science. And the only way to find your triggers is to track them. Do it free in the howarewe app, link in the description.